Hey everyone, this is John from AAAAFx, and in this short tutorial video I'm going to show you how you set and modify your stop loss and take profit. So obviously if you're starting an order, so click a new order and you manually type in your stop loss and take profit, that's one way to do it. But if you're one-click trading, part of the sacrifice of one-click trading is that you cannot set a stop loss or take profit when you enter your position, because it's all about instant execution, speed. It's about, oh, I really need to enter right now, click your button, you're in, and then you can set it and modify it later on. So we're just going to enter a random trade, so we're just going to sell right now. There we go, we're now in the sell position. But as you can see, there is no stop loss or take profit, so I'm opening myself up to a lot of risk, because if the market decides to go against me quite heavily, I would have to manually exit, and anything can happen in the market, so it's always advised to at least have a solid stop loss. Take profit can be malleable. You can decide to, okay, maybe I'll manually close it, but it really depends on your strategy, but a stop loss should really be fixed. So how do we go about and do that? Well, there's a few ways. So the first way is you could literally right click where you see the dotted line, which is your entry. Right click it and just click modify. Here we can manually enter a stop loss price and take profit. So if you actually know the price point, you can type it in. Or what I like to do, I just like to click copy and then just use the buttons here to push it a bit further up. You can see where it is. I'm also going to click copy and then push further down for the take profit, and then we just click modify. And now we have a stop loss and take profit set at the two lines you see here. But if I now want to really get the perfect price point based on the chart and price action, I can always just click the stop loss and drag it manually to where I want it to be. So say I want it to be above here, just click and drag it, let go, and now my stop loss is here. And if I hover over it, it will even tell me the profit and loss of, well, the loss from the stop loss, obviously the expected loss. So it would be $37 loss. Now if the take profit, say I want to target a place in the chart somewhere from previous times, so say I want to target these highs here where it wicked up. All I've got to do is just click it, drag it down to those highs, let go, and my profit would be $123. And that is now my take profit and stop loss are now set. So it really is that simple. But there's another way you can do it as well. All you've got to do is in the terminal window right here where you actually have your trade, if you just double click where it says stop loss and take profit, it opens up with the same window we saw earlier, but we can manually either type it in or just do what we did, and there you go. And that is how you set your stop loss and take profit in Metatrader 4. I hope this video was useful to you, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.